What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
So I was with my daughter at grandma's and we were having a little fun and I didn't pay attention and she had her phone in her hand and she just had to launched it and from the 6th floor went my phone and it landed by the bushes and the gravel, and I mean I'm lucky it works a little bit, but I knew you the best, so I definitely had to come to you.
Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you.
Phone is still working and ringing. We have to put new front camera. It's ripped from here. Pew! 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 We have to transfer home button to new screen. We're gonna take those screws to new screen as well. Damn! I'm gonna put new front camera as well, so you can take more selfies. I got the new Apple camera. I'm gonna transfer everything to new screen. Let's connect the home button. Good. Ready to go. Screen is ready. The customer don't have money and then they're gonna use the upgrade in a month, so we're gonna use this frame, unfortunately for him. So he will have this part without the frame. Your phone is ready, sir.
Hey,
except this part, but
hey man, I really appreciate it. I didn't even think this phone was salvageable, so for you to salvage it, I really just appreciate it. So
no problem, man.
Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
Man. I
Thank
really
you.
appreciate you.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look